Hello, welcome back. This is the ninth problem of the regular season round of MIT Integration B 2025. This time we're looking for the integral of x times the quantity 1/2 plus log x times log of log x. Again, if you're not familiar yet, the MIT Integration B uses the notation that log x refers to the natural logarithm. But for me, I'm more comfortable with the ln x notation, so I will be using ln x in my solution. Okay, again, as usual, please give this problem a try first before looking at my solution. This problem is doable in 2 minutes. If you're ready, let's look at my solution. To be honest, this is one of the one of the two problems I wasn't able to solve within 2 minutes out of the questions, out of all the 20 questions in the regular season round. I was thrown off by this log x here, and I had the idea that maybe this whole thing is just a derivative of itself, or a part of it is a derivative of itself, and that apparently was wrong. So it took me a lot of time, and I wasn't able to solve it in time. Now, to answer this one, what we should do is we can factor out this 1/2 just to remove the fraction. I prefer that it's outside for some reason, so we write it as 1/2 of x times 1 plus 2 of ln x times ln of ln x dx. Again, I'm using the ln notation. If you're more comfortable with the log, then that's also okay. Next step is to I'll use another paper. Next is we split this into this and this. We get 1/2 of x times ln of ln x plus 2x ln x times ln of ln x dx. Basically, I just split, so that's not very complicated. Now this one is what's tricky. We use integration by parts on this side. This 2x ln x right here, where we let u equals ln x times ln of ln x, and we let dv be 2x dx. So this part and this part. Gets? We get the differential element, the du is equal to, by the product rule, derivative of this is 1 over x times ln of ln x, plus ln of x times the derivative of this, by the chain rule, that's 1 over ln x times x. So that's x ln x dx. Now this one, on the other hand, simplifies to just v equals x squared. Right? So you get this product rule right here. So we just simplify this one. This is ln of ln x over x plus 1 over x, because this ln x cancels out, dx. So by integration by parts, IBP, we have integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du, which in this case is u v. So x squared ln x times ln of ln x minus integral of v, so that's x squared times ln of ln x. Actually, they have a common denominator of x, so we can factor that out as this one, dx. Gets? So we can simplify this as x squared ln x ln of ln x minus, we have here x squared, we have here x, so this one becomes just x. So this becomes x of ln x plus 1 dx. Now, you might be wondering at this point, because this resulting integral right here is still not integrable in terms of elementary functions. But the good thing about this is if we write this as a split version, minus integral of x ln of x minus dx minus x dx. And if we note that this entire expression right here, this expression right here is just this one, and note that you have here x ln x, you have here the negative of that, which means that this part right here and this part right here would cancel out. Right? Right? Is that clear? So this becomes 1/2. So this thing right here becomes 1/2 of the integral of x ln x. So ln of ln x plus, minus this one, x ln of ln x minus x dx. And then we factor this out because that's already out of the integral. So that's 1/2 x squared ln x ln of ln x. Right? And this thing right here would cancel out, leaving us with only 1/2 of integral of negative x, which we know to be negative x squared over 2. So this part right here becomes negative x squared over 4. Right? Right? Is it clear? Again, this thing right here cancels out that thing from right here, from the start, from the original integral. Okay, so we use IBP to rewrite this one, and eventually this term cancels out, which in hindsight is something we should expect because this is a problem in the integration B. So something somewhere should cancel out to give us a neat answer. Anyway, if we just summarize the answer here should be this thing right here, 1/2 x squared ln x times ln of ln x minus x squared over 4 plus the integration constant c. Oops, sorry. This is the summary. The answer is this one. Okay? So again, what we just did here is we split the integrand, and then use integration by parts on one of them, and then we saw magic. Right? So if you have an alternative solution, let me know in the comments. I just, if I remember correctly, 1 or 2 participants were able to get this correctly during the competition, so kudos to them. If I was there, I would have gotten it wrong, or just wouldn't be able to provide any answer at all within the 2 minutes. Okay, if you have any questions, clarifications, or violent reactions, just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.